Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm at Productronica 2015 and I'm joined by Mr. Watanabe from Denon Instruments.
Yeah.
Good to see you. Thanks for stopping by.
It's a pleasure.
Just start by telling me what's new on the booth, what products you're introducing here at Productronica this week.
Well, this time for this edition we bring a new machine which we launched on last year, and this is the first time we show it in Productronica, especially in Europe. And the new features that the main feature we introduce in the machine is the rework of passive component 0105.
Okay.
So it has been very difficult to work with this component. At the end of the day, with working with the customers, we find the solution to do that.
Yeah. And are you finding, is there a particular industry that's using 01005s, or is it across the board now? Because we're not seeing that many in production yet.
Well, listen, maybe not so many in Europe, but we're working with some companies, especially in China. Some EMS companies, they're doing product for big companies from US, and for mobile phone, for wearables. For this kind, even for motherboards, you can see some motherboards having some 0105s. And think the new component, we heard for another component, maybe 0201s, 0315 is coming sooner to the market now.
Okay, so is miniaturization really the key driver at the moment, or are there other things that are driving you in terms of technical requirements?
Well, what we are doing right now, what have been doing, so many companies from Asia, they've been coupled to reach us, technically talking, and to be ahead of time of the new technology. We had to work for more micro component, passive component, to meet the market needs nowadays.
Yeah, and that's driving it. And what's the market like here for you in Germany? Is it pretty strong at the moment?
Well, we are a manufacturer from Asia, from Japan, and it has been really difficult for Asian companies to introduce their product in Europe. So this time, many times we have tried, and we keep trying to introduce our product in Germany, especially in Germany, because we know if you can introduce the product in Germany, it's more easy for us to extend the business in Europe.
Yeah, and if you're working with global contract manufacturers, I guess they're going to buy the product for China, but they're going to use it in Europe as well.
Well, it's not always the case. Some of the cases, for example, if you work with Japanese manufacturer, they will ask the Chinese manufacturer or the Asian manufacturer to use the machine. But most the EMS companies, they move to countries like China, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thai, Vietnam, where the labor work is cheaper. So it's very difficult to say if they use it in China, they will use it in Germany. I don't think it's the case, but if they use it in Germany, they may use it in China also.
The other way around. So it's the technology is being driven from here. And what's the response been like at the show here? Have you had some good traffic at the show?
Well, yesterday, honestly, it wasn't quite busy, but today we have many customers, and we had the chance to introduce our machine and to let them know who we are.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
it was better today than yesterday, and we're looking forward to have many customers the next 2 days.
Okay, well, fantastic. Good luck with the show. Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.